We are back. Hopefully we're not still lagging. We're back, guys. Let me know if we're still lagging. Let me know if we're still lagging, guys. But we are back. Is it much better now, guys? All right, much better? Okay, nice. Much better, much better. Okay, beautiful. Chop Central, I'm seeing that, brother. Chopping like hell. I don't know if I like this. I don't know if I like this. Chop chop. I'm seeing that, bro. Seeing that. We're chopping around like some chopsticks, man. Chopping around like some chopsticks. Guys, don't forget to give this chat a like. You feel me? Welcome, Hannibal. Hannibal, my brother. What's up? What's up? Good morning. He said, yeah, I'm not getting into this. Yeah, bro. What is this chop, man? What is this chop? Chop, 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 chopsticks. This is disgusting price action. Disgusting. Oh, you trade NQ. Yeah, NQ is also tweaking as well, bro. Yeah, I trade NQ as well, yeah. Chop, chop, chop. I don't know if I'll take a trade here. Like what? I don't know, man. What's up, Snare? I've been good. How you doing? How you been doing, brother? How are you? How are you? Yeah, this chop is ridiculous. We haven't been able to trade above this FVG. If we do and then we get a trade back into it. Jay Right Times, what's up from Mississippi? What is up, my brother? What is up? What is up? Choppy markets here. Super choppy, man. Super choppy. We still haven't been able to go above this FVG. Look at that, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Snare. It's a dope name. We're literally chopping on everything. Like, what is going on with the markets, man? I also do have a bullish bias, Paris. I also do. But with this chop, I don't even know how we gonna catch that. How we gonna catch that? Oh man. Chop, 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 chop. I also think we're gonna trade. We're gonna head up. Oh, but it's a long. We're gonna have a long, wide stop loss. I don't know if I wanna. Oh man. I might wait for it to trade back into the IVG. Cause how we're chopping, gotta be extra careful. Extra careful. Extra careful. If we can trade back into the IVG, I'll probably try it. I will try it. Matter of fact, I want to see how we react once we get in here. So choppy, man. CPI tomorrow. Okay. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes perfect sense. What is this, man? What is this? What is this? What is that? Trade NQ. When NQ chops, it's not a game, bro. NQ can chop for 50 years and not even care. When NQ chops, I stay away. When YM chops, I might consider taking it. Ooh. I want to see how we react inside that FVG. No clear entry at all, for real. Where are you from? I am originally from Ghana, but I stay in Atlanta. Yep, Dong District, you're right. I stay in Atlanta, but I'm originally from the beautiful country of Ghana. Do you ever trade ES? Not really. I just look at ES for maybe like extra confirmations, but I don't really trade ES. Let's see how we Head and Shoulders. I don't trust it. Yeah, man. I actually might not trade today. I actually might not take a trade, but I also might. Who knows? Oh, where are your friends in Atlanta? For sure. He said Dunk trying to make you lose money. Yeah, NQ from Poland. What's up? What is up, my bro? Poland. That's what's up. What is going on with the market, bro? The hell? Yeah, I have. Yeah. I'm trading funded accounts right now. Yep. Yes, bro. Wonderful. I do like how YM is forming on the 5 minute. Yes, I do think it's gonna go up. I do like how YM is forming on the 5 minute. I do like that. So let's see something here. If we can inverse this one more time, this newly formed FVG, I want to take the inversion. Okay, we haven't inversed it yet. Oh, look at that. Now we want to do something. Now we want to have some volume. Volumente. Once we inverse this IFVG, I'd like to see a trade. I'd like to see us trade back into it. And then I'll consider taking that trade. Because markets are just today, so got to be extra careful, man. Like, what the heck? Honestly, might not even trade today, bro. I won't lie. Oh, you went for a quick scalp? That's what's up. That's what's up. Nice one. I got into Funded with your code, but they have you trading NJ. What do you mean NJ? Translate. Never use those platforms. What do you mean? And QE, just inverse that. Want to see the inversion happen on YM as well. And then I want to see us trade back into it. And then I'll take it. Oh, they have you trading on Ninja Trader and not trade of it. Really? Which funding company did you go with? Which funding company did you go with? Yeah, so we could have been taking this trend line liquidity, but we still haven't inversed it, so I'm still waiting. Nothing doing here. Oh, Fundednext? No, you can connect to Tradeovate for sure. You just have to once you purchase it, just select the Tradeovate. I think that's literally the only platform they even offer. So just select Tradeovate and you should be able to start trading with Tradeovate for sure, for sure. Because I'm using Tradeovate right now. I just link it to TradingView. Sometimes you have to activate it on Tradeovate. You have to activate TradingView by going to the add-ons and then activate that. How's gold looking? I have no idea. Not trading gold. You're long in Nas? Nice. Should I fade him? He's long. Should I fade the chat and go short? Should I fade the chat and go short? Chopped cheese, man. Chop Central. Everybody is long, man. Everybody is long. That makes me want to go short. That makes me want to go short. Everybody's long. Long's gonna print today? Possibly. Probably. I use pocket options when doing my just learning how to use. Oh, you're learning how to use. Okay. Other platforms. I see. Man, we're not getting shit on YM. We got this thing on an NQ, this inversion. Let's see here, but that's too high, like, to buy. But NQ be going crazy, man. Yeah. This could work out, but I don't really like it like that. I don't like it. I don't like it. But you use my code. Okay, nice. Yeah, you should be able to go to. So once you get your account, it should be a Tradeovate account. So log into Tradeovate. Once you're in Tradeovate, go to add-ons. And once you go to add-ons, you're gonna see a tab that says TradingView. So you have to activate TradingView on Tradeovate. So once you're in your Tradeovate account, go to, I think, settings, and then go to like add-ons. You'll see it. And you'll see TradingView. You have to activate that in order to trade directly on TradingView. And then once you do that, you just go to TradingView, you click the down arrow, and then you just click Tradeovate as your broker and log in with your Tradeovate credentials. Claire CRT on Nas. Damn, what are these names? CRT, SRT. Why didn't you just call it SRT, bro? Folks at Claire CRT on Nas 4 hour. You mean SRT? SRT, skirt. All these terms, man. SRT, Claire SRT. I don't see. Well, it is YM, I guess. So that's fine. Let's go look for the SRT, bro. On NQ. Okay, I see the SRT. SRT. We still haven't inverted this fair value gap, man. Look at this price action. Like, what the heck is this, bro? The email had 2 options. Which broker did you choose when signing up? Not good today to take a trade. I'm telling you, man. Like, what the heck? Usually my setup should have already presented itself, but I haven't seen my setup. So I'm just like, bro, is it even worth trading? Like, the wise thing to do would just to sit out today, honestly. But am I wise? Let's see. Am I wise? I do think we're gonna bounce from this FVG. From this on NQ. This IFVG. But what I think does not matter. I do think we're gonna bounce there and probably trade all the way to like somewhere inside this FVG. But who knows anything, man? What is this, bro? Ninja, but I think I'm gonna sign up Tradeovate. Yeah. If you chose Ninja, then you have to use. But I haven't seen a Ninja Trader option on Fundednext though. I haven't, so I'm surprised they allowed you to trade on Ninja Trader. You're ready to take on? For sure. Eddie Trades, my boy. What's up, my brother? Eddie Trades, the GOAT. Was Gucci. Yeah, everything is chopping, man. Like some chopped cheese, bro. Candle range liquidity. Love from India. What is up, my bro? Okay, we're probably starting to get some sort of fucking movement. Okay. Might want to take this YM, man. Not sure. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Because we've inversed that shit now. Where are you from? Entor, you can just ask once, bro. You don't have to spam it. If you spam it, you're gonna get banned, bro. This dude is so funny, bro. Like, why are you spamming that? All right, let me put you in timeout real quick. Acting like a little kid. Put you in timeout, bro. I live in Atlanta right now, but I'm originally from Ghana. Both my parents are Ghanaian. So, but I live in Atlanta. Ignite Flow, how can I forget you, bro? How can I forget you? How can I forget you, brother? I like drugs, my friend. Right? You like drugs? That's good for you, man. Do you make technical analysis at 5 and 15 minutes? Technical analysis, yeah. I mean, I use the 5 and 15. Yeah, but mostly execute on the 1. Keep bouncing in this FVG. Loving the stream. Beautiful. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Big fan from India. What's up? What's up, man? I gotta go visit India, man. Y'all be showing a lot of love, brother. I'm gonna come visit India. Best time frame. Bro, you want to live in Dubai when you're older? Not really. I'm not a big fan of Dubai, bro. Honestly. Not a big fan. But it's a cool place to visit though. It's a cool place to go on vacation and shit, but to live there, every trader wants to live in Dubai now, which makes me not want to live there. You feel me? In life, you gotta do the opposite of what the majority is doing. Gotta do the opposite, man. Yeah, market is so fucking shit, bro. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna trade, bro. Honestly, go to Switzerland for sure, for sure, for sure. I will visit Switzerland sometime for sure. Colombia. I was in Colombia earlier this year. Colombia is the place you live, or Thailand? Colombia is a pretty cool place. Watch us rise now. Rise to the sky. Damn, this thing not gonna give us a chance, bro. The day I become profitable, I will go to Istanbul and live there for the rest of my life. Really? Okay. Okay, okay, okay. That's nice. There's got to be a crazy breakout. Yeah, I mean, this just broke that IFVG and traded all the way up. We're still trading inside this IFVG on not on NQ. We still haven't really done much here. I do think YM is gonna go, but it didn't even give me a real chance. So I'm just waiting. If we can trade back into the IFVG, I'll consider taking it. We can trade back into the IFVG. Shout out from Philippines. What's up? What's up? Nice content. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Said he think price can push up for NQ. Yeah, but everything is looking crazy, man. I want to see if we can trade back into that. Guys, give this chat a like, brothers. I will appreciate it. You said you're Ghanaian. It's crazy. It's a saying. Yeah, my brother. We'll definitely link with you for sure. Kwame Asari for sure, my bro. My bro. Yes, sir. Got the Ghanaian in the building. Really don't want to take a trade at the same time. I want to take at least like one trade, bro. Like at least one trade, bro. Please. I do want to go long, but I want to see us tap back into the IVG. Shout out from Dubai. What's up? What's up? Yeah, coming back into the FVGI, yeah, IVG, yeah. If we can inverse that, that would be beautiful. I mean, if we can tap back into it and show like weakness when we tap into it, I'm definitely going in there. Pass by Kenya for sure, bro. For sure, broski. Broski. Let's see something here. We literally haven't done anything, bro, since market open. Nothing. We've just been chopping. Market makers are playing games with us, man. See, we're trying to break through this IFVG. Once we do that, man, everything else is gonna be looking crazy. I'm gonna lie, I want to take longs, but I don't want to rush it. Like this trade right here might cook, but I want us to tap back into the IVG. Like at least, bro, please, YM, please. Today you're strict on YM and NQ, yes sir, cause we're chopping around, bro. Even though I do think we're gonna trade to my target of 90 ticks, I want to see us tap back into the IVG, but it's not even giving me that option. Option. We keep respecting this IVG, as you guys can see, bro. We're literally respecting it to the T. Just creating wicks below it. Man, actually might not trade, man. I really want to trade. Like I'm itching to trade, bro. Like I'm itching, bro. Like, oh man, fucking want to trade, but might not trade. Itching to trade though. 10:30, yeah, we might get some sort of watch price just skyrocket at 10:30, man. There we go. There comes the volatility. I'm saying Paris, bro. Like, what's the market doing? It's not giving us any opportunities, bro. But you gotta be patient, man. Capital preservation, you already know. You already know. Gotta be patient. Can't rush anything in this choppy environment, bro. You're walking away, yeah. That's a good choice. Smart choice. Smart choice. We literally have still not done anything, bro. Since market open, we just got this nice push to the upside, and that was it. With inversion, boom. And that's it. I'm itching to trade, bros. I'm itching. Yeah. Probability is low right now, super low. I mean, I want to see us tap into the IVG for me to even consider longs. Tap into it and then show some sign of like, you know, weakness like, hey, we're in the IVG. I'm kind of scared. I kind of want to push back up. I want to see that. Once I see that, that'll be my cue to go longer. Tap into it, bro. We might not even tap into it. NQ looks like it's ready to go. Let me put like I want to put a buy limit, but at the same time, I want to see how it reacts when we get into it. If we even get into it. Traded back into entry. Second long on Nas active. We're chilling. Nas is just fooling everybody, bro. Like, I think with this candle, this down close candle, with the next candle, I want to see us like create a wick inside the IVG and then bounce from it. Bouncy bounce. Made $65. She better than nothing. Better than losing money, bro. She. Will this thing give me an entry? Like, please. Please, bro. I want to take at least one trade, like at least, bro. Just one. Damn. Okay, we're tapping into it. Now let's see how we trade. I see this volume imbalance down here, so I'd want us to come try to close this up. Right there. Yeah. I want us to come close that up. And then see some sort of, you feel me? Basically kind of closed it up, I think. But not really. I want a long here. I want a long. Let's see if I can get it. If I can get it, I'm going long here. Fuck it. Tired, bro. I'm tired of waiting. Tired of waiting, man. Why would it get me in there? Like, why would it get me in there, bro? But yeah, I'm tired of waiting, bro. Fuck it. I'm in this motherfucker. Fuck it. Paris said, "Oh hell no." I know. I actually don't know why I just did that, but I just did it. I don't care. I just did it, bro. I just want to take at least one trade, bro. Like I'm itching, bro. Like I'm itching. Just one trade, bro. Just one. Paris is funny as hell. He said, "Oh hell no." Oh shit, that was funny. Like just something, bro. Like please, bro. Like you feel me? I'm itching, bro. I'm itching. I'm itching. I'm itching. Like fuck. He said, "Oh hell no." Like fuck, bro. This is a wide ass target though. I ain't gonna cap. This is a wide target. I'm itching, bro. Oh hell no, bro. What is you doing, twin? Let's go. Let's go. Let's keep it pushing. If you have the urge, you should paper trade. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit, twin. Fuck that shit. Put my money where my mouth is at. Yeah, no real valid setups, but I was itching, man. I was itching, and if this doesn't work out, it'll just be my only trade. Like, if it doesn't work out, this will be my only trade. Look at NQ, bro. NQ, NQ, NQ. I'm probably the only one in the world who took a trade today, bro. Probably the only one in the whole world. Yeah, today is definitely no trade. You're right, man. I should probably try to move stops to break even or some shit, but fuck that shit. Once we hit 50 ticks, if we do, I'll move my stops to break even, bro. But I'm already in this trade. I'm committed. Oh, you move stops to 1 to 1? Fuck that shit. Oh man. See, so I like how this candle closed and then this bullish candle opened up. I like that. That might show us like that we wanna get some more momentum to the upside. But you never know, man. We're chopping like some cheese today, bro. I think I was the only person in the world who took a trade. Think so. I think so, bro. Market wouldn't move if you were the only one to take a trade. You're right. No, but it could actually still move because the market has algorithms that like trade it. So it could move by the algorithms. So I'm probably trading against algorithms right now. That just shows you, bro, how bold, how much balls I got. Because I'm trading with algorithms right now. I'm trading against algos, bro. What are you telling me, bro? Is your mentor trading against algos? Nah, he's scared. He's scared because we're chopping. We got a little chop, so he's scared. He's like, oh, I don't want to trade because we're chopping. Fuck that shit. I'll trade against them algos, nigga. Fuck is you talking to me about, twin? Let's go. Let's fucking go. I want to at least make this trade break even. That would be nice. Trading against algos, bro. Who else is doing it like me? Like he. Trading against algos. You kidding me right now? I just want to break even, bro. Just break even. Something. He said avoid trading today. Well, it's too late now. She. Barcode price action. Yeah, we need something. You also took long on NQ, but you also took long on ES, but NQ is making me sweat. Yeah, NQ is looking like a look at NQ. What the fuck? NQ is looking like a fucking grandma trying to drive or some shit. Moving slow. Honestly, break evens now will not be bad because we've tapped into the upper quadrant of this FVG. Oh no, we haven't tapped into the upper, but we're still tapping into this FVG. So break evens will not be bad at all. Just make this trade risk free. So yeah, I'll consider break evens if we start trading back down. Dude, I'm literally the only one in the world who took a trade, bro. I'm trading against computers right now. So what are you telling me? Guys, give this chat a like, bro, for being so bold, bro. Give this chat a like. Like, everybody is scared. All your mentors is like, oh, choppy. I'm not taking any trade. But I took a trade. I said, fuck that shit. And took a trade. So give this chat a like, bro, please. I'd appreciate that. I don't see them likes going up, twin. Today you lost $40. She, you'll make it back or lose more. Who knows? But hopefully you make it back. We're getting to break even, so I'm gonna move my stops to break even now. Stops are at break even. Now I want to see us trade all the way into my TP and to the sky. So this trade is basically risk-free now. So I'm in a free trade. I'm in a free trade, bro. Let's go. Let's go. I want at least 90 ticks, man. At least 90 ticks, bro. You already know. You already know. You already know. I love you, bro. I love you too, bro. Oh my goodness. I love you. I love you. I love you. Stops are a break even, so I don't even care, bro. I don't care, man. I don't even care anymore. Guys, give this chat a like, brothers. Give this chat a like. I'm the only one in the world. Like, guys, I'm the only one in the world who took a trade. So please just give this chat a like, broskis. Antor, I put you in timeout. You got out of timeout and you're starting to spam again. Exactly what got you in timeout. So I'm gonna put you in timeout again. And if you spam again, I'm gonna block you. Thank you. Timeout. 90 ticks, bro. $90 from Thailand. What's up? What is up? What is up? Guys, give this chat a like. Bro, it's 200 people watching and y'all not giving it a like? Y'all don't fuck with me? Like, bro, I was the only one in the world bold enough to take a trade. Bold enough, had the balls to take a trade. The least y'all could do is just like. It doesn't cost. It's not going to cost you anything to like this chat, bro. So please, please, just like this chat. Thank you. Thank you, guys. I love you guys. I appreciate it. NQ is still chopping, man. Exit already. He said exit. Should I exit? Probably should. I probably should exit, bro. Because market is looking crazy. I probably should. But fuck that shit. Fuck is you talking to me about? If it takes me out at break even, fuck it, bro. Fuck it. Market was shit anyways. I'll just blame it on price action. If it takes me out at break even, I'll just blame it on price action, bro. So stops are at break even. If it takes me out, it was price action. He said, hell yeah, exit now. Hannibal, you think I should? Edgar said, just say the words. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go, let's go, let's go. At least 90, bro. Please. Pretty please. Jeez. Jeez. Jeez Louise. Hey, come on. You've been chopping all day. At least do something, bro. What are you talking to me about, bro? NQ Rake said no, hold. That's what I like to see. Hardo, name. Degenerate. I need at least my 90, bro. I need at least 90, bro. Like, at least. Like, that's the least you can do for us, bro. But I know I'm tweaking right now. Not stupid. I'm just tweaking. I'm tweaking right now because I'm being stubborn. You said never mind, it has potential to go up. You sure? Bro, if this shit takes me out at break even, bro, we're gonna have a problem, bro. Market makers, I know you're watching, but come on, man. You said just take the W. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit, twin. It needs to hit my target like it needs to. If it don't hit my target, I ain't taking shit. It's either target or break even. Like, hey, bro, could I know an average net RR gain in a month with this strategy? Man, as long as you follow it to the T, bro, you can make $1 million from this shit. I need at least my 90 ticks. Like, come on, bro. You've been playing with us for too long, and I'm not in for the games. Matter of fact, you know what? I think I want 100 ticks. You think it's still gonna go up? Hopefully, bro. Hopefully. Hopefully. Dude, NQ is just so shit right now, bro. Chop, 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 chop. Yeah, NQ is shit. Matter of fact, bro, I think I want 100 ticks. What is you talking about, twin? I think I want 100. I'm being greedy. Fuck that. I'm actually tweaking, but fuck it. I want 100. But if it hit 90 ticks and it starts tweaking, then I will I'll exit. He's like, careful with the FVGs. Yeah, bro, I gotta be careful, man. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's one up here. Oh yeah. We probably will not go for 100. There's one up here. We're inside one right now as well. So I gotta be extra careful, man. There's also one down here as well that we could potentially trade back into. So guys, I'm copy trading these accounts. I'm copy trading them using TradeSyncer. It is a powerful trading software, copy trading tool. You can copy across multiple platforms. I have their flex plan, which is their biggest plan. You can copy across 120 accounts at the same time. And you can have unlimited connection, meaning you can connect as many platforms as you want. It's $149 a month for that plan. That's what I'm using right now because I'm copying across multiple platforms: Apex, Top Step, Fundednext. So if you guys, you feel me, want to check them out, go to tradesyncer.com. It's a powerful, it's not like Replicanto where you need a software, you need a Windows client or anything like that. Everything is done online on the cloud. So it's really cool. Use the code StanFX to get 10% off. And you feel me? Copy across multiple platforms. What is NQ, bro? Like, what is NQ doing? Like, I'm not even in NQ, but it's pissing me off, bro. Pissing me off, bro. What is NQ doing? How many trades you need in Fundednext? I think you need 5 minimum trading days. But, you know, if you pass it on earlier, you could just take minis. Or, I mean, but there's a 40% consistency rule. So you got to be aware of that. 40% consistency rule. So you got to be aware of that. Bro, let's do something here, bro. Money glitch. Let's go. Let's move. Let's get some movement, bro. I want to show you guys the TradeSyncer. But it's not updating my PNL for some reason. Okay. Bro, let's get some action. Let's get some action. Action. Let's get some action. 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 Like, come off it, mate. Kind of created a double top right here. And he was just sitting in the bed. My ES trade hit take profit. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, man. Oh, man. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. I want to see if this shit wants to really take me out, bro. Let lock in, twin. So we're tapping back into this FVG. I don't want us to inverse it. This is a 15 minute. Well, it's not really 15 minutes. Let's work with a 5-minute FVG. So I don't want us to inverse that. Like, I don't want us to inverse this 5-minute FVG. If we do inverse it, then, you know, we're probably cooked. 5-minute FVG. I don't want us to inverse that. Oh yeah, that's definitely going to go down. I think it's respecting the 15-minute trending. You think so? Maybe. Maybe. And we're inside a huge 15-minute FVG. Could go down from here. But again, I think I'm just gonna leave it at break even, honestly, because bro. Man. I'll just blame it on price action, bro. That's always something you can blame it on. I'll just blame price action. Trend line break, that's a bearish pattern. Yeah. Fuck it though. Fuck it. If I get taken out, fuck it. This will be my only trade for the day. I do feel like it can literally just take me out and then trade back up, but I hope not. Hopefully it just keeps going. We're trading with hope now. He's like going with another contract at BE. Never doing that. Oh, you're looking at Nas? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Bro, Nas is just, man, I know people are getting chopped up, especially like traders who trade on the 1-minute time frame, like, you know, ICT traders and shit. Getting chopped up in this. Unless you have a really tight, good strategy. I can avoid that. Okay, so we haven't inversed that fair value gap, which I like. So now I want to see us push up from here, hopefully. But if we don't, then we're cooked. Because NQ looks like, oh. And YM likes to follow NQ. So based on what NQ is doing, YM might follow. Unless NQ just picks up randomly from any, like, unless NQ just picks up from here. It'll suck if we get stopped out at break even, but it is what it is. I don't wanna take it out. I don't wanna pull out. Like, until my objective is hit, I'm not pulling out. It's just part of the game, man. Break evens aren't that bad anyway, so this is me talking to myself, convincing myself that what I'm doing is right. Action, action, action. Action, 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 bro. Let's go. We need some action, action, action. We're still respecting that 5 minute, which I said is nice. I feel you. Yeah, you're thinking the right. Yeah, bro. Like, honestly, like, once I'm in there, I just wanted to hit my objective. If it doesn't hit it, I don't want to tamper with it because I need to stick to my fixed risk to reward ratio. I have my risk to reward ratio is about like a 2, sometimes like a 2.5, 2 point, usually it's like 2.25, but sometimes I hold to like 2.5 or 3. So I want to stick to that and just let it do what it does. If it takes me out, fine. It's fine. You feel me? That's how you can have long-term growth. That's how you can compound. Is just stick to your risk to reward ratio. As long as your strategy still maintains its edge, you'll be good. Trading Psychology 101. Need this thing to keep pushing. Guys, give this chat a like, guys. Please. I know some of you haven't liked it yet. Probably got some haters watching me like, I ain't giving this shit. But please, even my haters, I appreciate it, bro. I mean, there are certain scenarios, certain cases where you will have to, manually do stuff like pull out or, there are cases like that, but generally you want to stick to your risk to reward ratio. I'm saying they're probably like, yeah, I'm saying they're probably like, they're not liking it till they see that take profit get hit. I want to see it get hit as much as y'all do, bro. Trust me. I want to see it get hit too. But y'all, you gotta like it for the take profit to get hit. You have to like it first. You feel me? That'll tell the market makers that, oh, okay, let's keep it pushing. Patrice says you should pull out. The only time I pull out is when you feel me? The only time I pull out is when I'm doing the dirty. That's when I pull out. But when I'm trading, I'm pulling shit out. Supply zone. Yeah, it keeps hitting it. It keeps, It's not looking the best, but I gotta stick to my shit, man. I just have to. I just have to. I have to. I have to. And again, the trade is risk free. So, hey, bro, move up the SL. You think so? Okay, let me go and fuck that shit, nigga. You would have raised stop at 42820. You think so? Let's see, maybe like fuck that shit. Not moving shit. I'm leaving my shit where it is. If I get stopped out, oh well, bro. Fuck it. If I get stopped out, oh well. I know I'm being stubborn, but just gotta stick to my rules, bro. Gotta stick to my rules. I fuck that shit. If I get stopped out, it'll suck, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Fuck that shit. Guys, I need more likes in this chat. I need more likes. I need more likes. I need more likes, man. I'm telling you, for real. In reality, you're supposed to. Paris says, in reality, you're supposed to set your take profit and stop loss and just walk away. Like I'm telling you, that's how you're supposed to go about it. Like that's the best way to go about things. Set your stop, set your take profit, and get the fuck off the charts. Whatever happens, happens, you know? Yes, bro. So good I catch you in live. I really enjoyed the shorts you post. Nice. Thank you. YM, let's get some follow through, man. Don't embarrass me in front of my peers like that. Don't embarrass me, YM. Don't embarrass me, though, YM. We have this 1 minute fair value gap here that I can see. We're tapping into that. I don't want us to break that. I know I say that all the time, but yeah, I don't want us to break through that. Like even, bro, okay, so today, yeah. Like it's 11 and we're still not even getting any crazy movements. So yeah, it's definitely because of CPI, I suppose. I suppose. But the algorithm should still deliver. CPI or no CPI. First time here, but love your honesty with losing trades. For sure, for sure. I don't know why we're tapping back into that 5 minute, but it's not looking good. If we inversed it, we're cooked. We're cooked. Tapping back into the 5, which is not a good look. Oh, we're probably cooked in this trade. Should have listened to y'all. I was being stubborn. I was also following my rules though, honestly. Sir, does BTC work? Does FVG work with BTC? It definitely does, bro. It definitely does. You said it's respecting two different trend lines, so it's definitely coming back down. Possibly, possibly. I'm just sticking to my risk to reward parameters, my trading rules, all that. BTC is Bitcoin, brother. Bitcoin. So yeah, FVG works with crypto. You just have to find a way to make it work for you. Not every FVG is gonna work. Obviously, you have to pair it with market structure and other things of that nature. Can you tell how you trade this FVG you just joined? So market open, market was chopping, chopping. Weren't getting anything, and then I saw how did I even? So boom, and then you chopping. I had a bullish bias based on the higher time frame, so I was looking for an inversion of this FVG right here. Boom, we got the inversion right here, but I didn't enter because I was kind of skeptical. So I was like, I wanted to wait till it trades back into the IVG, traded back into it. We kind of broke it a little bit, but we did not fully break it. Got another push above the IVG, so I'm like, okay, I want us to trade back into it. Once you trade back into it and see that, price is kind of resisting inside the IVG, I like to take longs. The price came back, traded inside of it. You could see the wicks resisting. So I'm like, okay, let me just try those longs. Boom, took those longs. I'm like, okay, that's pretty nice since we're rejecting from it. We rejected. Took that trade. Boom. And now it's just doing whatever. But hopefully it trades to my full objective. And as it traded above this, as it traded 50% into profit, I just moved my stops to break even, yeah. And now this trade is risk free, and now I'm just waiting for it to hit my 90 tick target or my full target up there. So hopefully it can do something. Hopefully it doesn't take, but it's taking so long though. And we're chopping on NQ, like, man. For people who I've seen people taking like 40, 50 trades a day. If you're trying to catch something on NQ, I don't know, man. Good luck. If you're going in for some very quick scalps with big size, you might be able to catch something. But even so, like, look at this, bro. This is on a 1 minute too. Like, disgusting price action. Guys, don't forget to give this chat a like, guys. It helps with this chat. It helps, bring people more people to the stream. You feel me? This is probably the longest I've been on here, I think. This thing just wants to play around with us. I really don't want us to trade back into that FVG, that 5-minute FVG, because we keep tapping into it. I don't like that. I don't like that. It's like a triple top right here. I really hate this price action, man. Really hate it. Tapping back into that FVG. I just need 90 ticks, bro. That's all, bro. Like, that's it. That's not even too much to ask for, YM. Are you coming on live every day? Nah, not every day. Not every day. But I do trade every day on my Discord live. Just waiting for price to, either hit my break even stop or hit my take profit. Literally. Everyone is getting bored now, so some people are leaving. But this is trading, man. Sometimes you have to be in a trade for longer than you anticipate. If you're not ready to withstand the boring part of trading, you're not ready to be a real trader. You're not ready to take this shit serious. Try forex. The PA is so much better. Check GU. I use IVG and Kata 1 to 12. Oh wow, with no drawdown. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Forex is cool. Forex is. I started off trading forex. Like I started off with forex. And forex is pretty cool, but I like futures. If I even trade forex, I'll probably just go trade NAS 100 or US 30. Like, I love those pairs. Well, they're not pairs. Indices. So it's basically the same thing, except on futures, there's no spreads, unless you're trading like Asia session or something. I'll look at GU. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure it has good PA. I'm pretty sure. But futures is where it's at, brother. A lot of people are moving to futures. Yo, what's up, Jay? What's up? What's up? Fundednext expensive? So yeah, it's a little bit on the higher end, but it does come with good perks, so why not Top Step? I do use Top Step as well. I just try to max out multiple prop firms. Futures has been rage baiting everybody. Yeah, it has been tweaking. I don't know what's been going on, but it happens. Sometimes you get shitty price action, but eventually it's probably gonna get better. Get back to normal. I think it's because of the new administration right now. That's what has the market on its feet. You still use my funded future? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Staying in this trade for this long, man, better not pull any crazy shit. NQ is just barcoding, bro. Barcode. Like what? Hasn't done anything here. YM is not looking the best here. But again, gotta stick to it. Whatever happens, happens. Consolidating in this range, man. Are you trading a broker or prop firm? Prop firm. Thanks. Your transparency is unmatched. For sure. Sir, now go long. I'm already long. Bro. This is getting annoying, YM. Come on. Do something for the people. Is there a monthly subscription for Fundednext? Yes, there is. Wait, is there? I'm actually not sure. Let me check. I actually don't think so. He said, why would he go long now? Lord have mercy. I'm saying, bro, that's crazy. Okay, no, okay. So, yeah, there's no monthly subscription for Fundednext. Oh, that's pretty cool then. And you could take as long as you want on the challenges. So that's cool. What broker are you using on Fundednext? I'm using Tradeaway. Yeah, I don't think there's a monthly subscription, Patrice. But double check though. Double check. Look in their FAQs. Do you have a video on how you set up your charts on Tradeovate? Yeah, I have a video on the whole Tradeovate setup and everything. Yeah, you can check it out on my channel. It's one of my most viewed videos, so it's easy to see. It's called how to trade futures directly on Tradeovate. That's like 100,000 views, I believe. Let's do something, man. Because that could easily be a manipulation, so I'm not even excited, bro. I want to see us break through that trend line. This thing might be trying to trick me. So, XAU, bro, you guys gotta keep spamming the chat, bro. Like, no, I'm not trading I'm not trading gold, bro. Like, I'm not. Sorry, brother. Gold and me don't go like that. Gold long term be hitting though. Gold long term on the 4 hour should be busting, but on the lower time frames for me, gold, nah, not fucking with it. Do you have a video on? Oh yeah, I do. It's sweeping up the built up liquidity at the top. Yeah, I'm saying. But hopefully we could push into my shit, bro. I've been on this trade for how long now? 10 years? Yeah, NQ hasn't done any, like, NQ is fucking shit today. Literally hasn't done anything, bro, since market opened. Hasn't moved anywhere. BTC Cotto. Stan, greetings from Israel. We follow you from here. Thanks for what you do. For sure, for sure. Thank you. Thank you for following me, bro. Damn. Got people from all around the world. I really love it. I love to see it. I love to see it. I need to do a world tour and meet all of y'all, man. For real. From Israel. That's what's up, man. That's what's up, brother. Yeah. Just like Paris said, we're sweeping up the built side, the built liquidity, generating sell side liquidity. He said. What's up, Zain Khan? Love from India. What's up? What's up? Comment once, and that should be good. Don't spam. Do you trade SOW, SOS? I literally have no idea what that is. I literally just watched the 2022 mentorship, and I had everything I needed from that. So I don't really pay attention to anything he's doing now, like any of his new stuff. So no, I don't trade SOS, SOW. I have no idea what those mean. Don't need those. Don't need those. Don't need to complicate my trading further. I already have a simple system, easy to follow, so profitable. It has an edge. Over the course of like I have data on it over the course of like a year and a half. Like a year or something like that. I think a year and a half. So I'm just gonna stick to that. Your channel is underrated. You deserve 1 million subs for sure. Thanks, brother. Thanks, brother. Yeah. I guess we were generating sell side, buy side, or whatever. This trade is so annoying. Like, I won't lie. I'm tired. I'm literally like starting to sweat, bro. Like, I'm tired. Tired of being in this, man. What's up? What's up? Legend, brother. For sure. Thank you. Thank you. Like, I'm actually tired of being in this. We keep typing into this 5-minute FVG. I don't like that. Like, I don't, bro. Like, why do we keep tapping into it? Usually when we tap into it too many times, that's not a good look. It means we want to break through it. So I don't know, man. Ooh. Ooh, NQ. NQ now wants to get some movement. YM likes to mimic NQ, so I don't know. We might also be cooked in this trade. Let's see how many ticks I have so far. See if I want to exit this shit, man. Cause I'm actually tired. But like mental. My mental capacity is just deteriorating because of this trade. Like, come on, man, do something. Let's see. So far we have 34. Let me do some calculations, man. Cause I'm tired of this trade, bro. It's not. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Oh man. Oh my goodness, bro. What the fuck? Mr. B man, you said it, bro. What the hell? That is fucking crazy. That's crazy. Can't even do anything but laugh, man. What the fuck? Paris said, see, we told your ass to get out. I'm saying, bro. I'm saying. I was being stubborn. Like, Paris was choppy, bro. What the hell? I wasn't even paying attention when that shit happened. I wasn't paying attention. That shit literally took me out. I mean, took me out at break even, so I'm chilling. Yeah, I'm chilling. But damn, that's insane. That is insane. Yeah, market is shit today, bro. Market is shit. So let me show you guys my PNL for today. It took me out at break even, so I'm not really tripping, but I kind of expected it to do that anyways. And it might want to go up from here, but I'm done. Like, I'm done. My mental capacity right now is not it. So I'm just gonna show you guys my PNL, and then I'll just call it a day, bro. Like, fuck that. I'm done. What the fuck? Crazy. Let's just do that. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But yeah, as I said, literally done. Not taking any more trades. I'm completely done. Completely done. And we're just gonna call it a day. So again, you know, if you guys are interested in trading, you know, if you guys are interested in like copy trading with the same platform that I use TradeSyncer. It's a copy trading software. So this is literally my P&L for these accounts that I was trading today. Where's this thing at? Okay. This is my P&L for the trades that I was taking today. So it took me out at break even. But whatever. Whatever. Oh, man. So I'm gonna call it a day. That's it for me. That's it. We come back tomorrow. Well, I'm not trading live here on tomorrow, but I am trading. You see the trend line? Yeah, you guys told me, but yeah, you did say it was generating south side. NQ don't play, nasty work. NQ tells what the helly? Yeah, y'all told me. Yeah, I don't use Heikinashi candle now. Yeah, it do be giving you late entries, I'm pretty sure. But better trend direction, really? Nah, I'm not interested in that, but you know, if it works for you, that's cool. Any code for Fundednext, just use Stan FX. If you're trading CFDs, which is forex, use Stan, STAN. If you're trading futures, use Stan FX to get a nice discount. Yeah, shit day to trade. Yeah, man, look, if you guys go back and watch, I literally saw this choppiness, so I already knew that it wasn't the best day to trade. But at least I broke even, so it's not that bad. Like honestly, even though I could have taken profits so many times up here, but again, I have to stick to my strategy. I have to stick to my rules. So just let it do its thing. Put my stops at break even. Took me out at break even, but it is what it is. Yeah, I use TradeSyncer for Trade of 8 copy trading. So if you guys are interested in using TradeSyncer, you can get a nice 10% discount on your TradeSyncer account. So if you want to use them, if you want to trade with them as well, use the code STANFX and you get a nice 10% discount on TradeSyncer. So that's nice. Yeah, 10%, not bad. So it's a very powerful trade copier tool. You can copy across multiple accounts. I literally have their highest tier. They have different tiers. They have, let's see if I could show you guys. So they have different so boom, let me show you guys the different tiers that they have, so you guys can, you feel me, choose whichever one you want to use. Just gotta fix this up a little bit. Boom and boom. Boom. So here's Trade Sinker. So they have different tiers. So I'm using the Flex right now. You can get up to 120 accounts, and you have unlimited connection, meaning you can link as many prop firms as you want to that. You can have 120 accounts per connection. Basically, you have unlimited. You can link as many. If you have 1,000 prop firms that you trade with, you can literally just link them all in there. But most of you will probably be fine with the basic plan, which is like you get 2 connections, which means you can link 2 different prop firms, and in each prop firm you can have 10 accounts. So that's pretty cool. And then they have the Pro. You have 4 connections. In each connection you can have 20 accounts. So that's cool. So, and they have the Flex, which is what I'm on right now. So if you guys are interested in using TradeSyncer, you could just go on the website tradesinker.com, check it out. Copy trade across multiple prop firms, and you don't need Replicanto. It's pretty difficult because if you don't have a Windows computer, the configuration is so complicated. But on TradeSyncer, everything is easy. You just link your prop firm, boom, everything is connected. You just copy trade, and it copies across all your accounts. It's a pretty powerful tool. Check it out. If you want to check it out, if you want a discount, use my code STANFX. It gives you a nice 10% discount, and you can start trading across multiple prop firms simultaneously. So yeah, that's that, bro. Like, I'm done for the day. Like, you feel me? Price action was shit. I'm done for the day. So yeah, that's that. Overall break even for the day. Shitty price action. You could literally see it from NQ. So yeah, that's that for me, guys. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I'm gonna go ahead and figure out what I want to do for the day. Sound is not clear. Yeah. Why are you always in a loss? I don't know, man. Ask the market makers, bro. I don't know. But anyways, that's that for the day. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. And I'll see you guys Thursday. I'm coming back on Thursday, so you guys can, if you guys wanna join on Thursday, definitely check it out. I'm coming back on Thursday. I'm not trading here. I'm not trading here tomorrow. I'm gonna be trading live. I trade live every single day on my Discord, so I'm gonna be on my Discord, but I'm not trading here live tomorrow. So, oh no, I'm not. He said, "Don't go raging." Nah. I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. Paris said because he be greedy. I know, bro, but as I said, man, bro, let me show you guys my trade journal, bro. Let me show you guys my trade journal so you can see like why sometimes I like to, hold and shit like that. Let me show you guys my trade journal. But yeah, sometimes I do be greedy. Like today, I had multiple chances to get out, but at the same time, I just wanted to respect my yeah, I'm not trading. I'm so tempted to take another trade, but I'm not doing it. Trust me, I'm not. So, yeah, let me show you the trade journal. Boom. This is my trade journal. So these past 2 days haven't been the best, but as long as I'm sticking to my shit, you can see as long as I stick to my risk to reward ratio and all that, bro, I'll be good. I'll be good in the long run. Like, look, it's not the best, 57% win rate. It used to be higher, like 63, but these recent losses I've kind of like, you feel me? Kind of, But again, if I just stick to my shit, sometimes I'll be going on runs, bro. I'll be going on runs. If I just stick to it, like, bro, I'll be good. And these trades, I think this one was last Friday. It was just me tweaking because I called out the first trade and I just didn't get in. So it was just me tweaking. That's what made me take this loss. But yeah, I just got to stick to my shit and I'll be good, bro. Like, I will be good. So that's why sometimes I'm stubborn and I want to hold for it to hit my full TP. But, you know, as I said, sometimes you have to manually intervene into some of the trades, because, like, for example, today we saw that we're chopping. So as I saw that, you know, we kept creating this trend, and we kept bouncing, creating a triple top, even a quadruple top. I should have been like, yeah, that's it, I'm out. But it is what it is. Can't do anything about that. We live to trade another day, and that is that. So yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. For sure. Thank you. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Peace.